Duro Dyne is the go-to name in sheet metal necessities. Our innovative Dyna-Tite suspension system provides a fast and strong way to hang mechanical and HVAC systems. And with our new equipment suspension kits, getting the supplies you need is easier than ever. The Dyna-Tite system installs faster than traditional threaded rod, and our flexible hangers and lightweight wire rope are safer and easier to work with. And now, introducing Dyna-Tite equipment suspension kits, the easy way to get everything you need for equipment installation. Choose your end fixing, cable length, lock style, and a hanger accessory to build your own kit. Get what you need at the scale you need. Dyna-Tite will package all items and provide the pack quantity you need for your project. No need to order bulk for a small project. Contact your local Duro Dyne distributor and ask about our equipment suspension kits. Dyna-Tite, built for how you work.